Hi students, how are you? I hope each one among you are doing great and well. Welcome to Supnet's classes. This is Rehmat Latif, your biology educator. In this video, we are going to learn about breathing and exchange of gases. In our previous session, we just see that how mechanism of breathing works, right? We just learnt about inhalation, how we inhale, obviously what we inhale oxygen. So here we talk about inhalation of oxygen, right? So in that video, we just learned about inhalation of oxygen, how oxygen is being inhaled. So what we just learned that for inhalation, what we do, contraction happens, right? Contraction occurs. Home contraction occurs, contraction of diaphragm occurs, right? You need to do this practically. Diaphragm contracts, due to which internal and external intercostal muscles between ribs also raise upwards, due to which sternum, chest bone also raises up. Okay, sternum also raises. Ribs, muscles, internal and external intercostal muscles, right? All of them contracts. Due to contraction, what happens? Volume increases. Due to contraction, what happens? Volume increases. Volume of thorax increases. Due to increase in volume, pressure decreases because they are inversely proportional. Pressure decreases. Since pressure inside lungs decreases, the oxygen present in the atmospheric air, external to the body, is being pushed inside the body, so that what we call it as oxygen will get drawn inside the lungs. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. I'm again repeating what happens during inhalation. Oxygen is being inhaled, due to which contraction occurs. Contraction of diaphragm increases. To contraction of diaphragm happens, due to which ribs, internal and external intercostal muscle gets upwards, due to which sternum raises. Okay, sternum raises. All of this leads to increase in volume, due to which pressure decreases. As I already mentioned, that pressure and volume is inversely proportional. When volume increases, obviously pressure will decrease. Okay, this was all about inhalation. Again, I am showing you what happens during inhalation. During inhalation, contraction occurs like this. This is inhalation. What happened? Diaphragm contracts, due to which internal and external intercostal muscles raises up, due to which sternum also raises up. All of this leads to increase in volume, which eventually leads to decrease in pressure. Okay, I hope this concept about inhalation is clear. This will lead to inhalation, that means oxygen will lead inside the lungs. Now the question is about exhalation. In this video, in this session, we are going to learn about exhalation. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay. I'll write it here. It's vice versa occurs in exhalation. Okay. Exhalation. What happens during inhalation? Contraction occurs. During exhalation, relaxation occurs. Relaxation of diaphragm, that means it will get back to its original position. Relaxation of ribs, muscles of ribs. Relaxation of muscles of ribs will occur. Okay, relaxation of sternum will occur. That means all of them will get back to their original position. Okay, I hope this concept is clear that relaxation will occur, and that means diaphragm, sternum, internal, intercostal muscles of ribs will get back to its normal position like this. Inhalation, during inhalation, we do contraction like this. That means diaphragm, muscles of ribs, intercostal muscles, and sternum gets lifts up like this, and during exhalation, relaxation occurs like this. What happens? Diaphragm, intercostal muscles, and sternum will get back to their normal position. They, due to this normal position, since it will get normal position, it will lead to decrease in volume, thoracic volume. It will lead to thoracic volume will decrease, due to which pressure will increase, right? Because again I am saying they are inversely proportional. Since volume will decrease, pressure will increase. Since pressure will increase inside lungs, it will force the lungs to exhale the contents, okay, like exhale the carbon dioxide. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. This concept about inhalation and exhalation is clear. Okay, now we have the ability to strength inspiration and expiration. Normally we are doing inspiration expiration, we are not focusing on it much more. But once I'm saying just contract, just relax, just inhale, just exhale, what we do, we start focusing on it. During inhalation, what we do, inspiration, what we do, we can additional muscles in abdomen helps in that, strength. In order to increase the strength, what we do, we just put more and more strength on the muscles of abdomen. You, if you will strength, if you will increase the strength of inspiration and expiration, you will observe that there would be effect on your abdomen as well like this. You will sense that on your abdomen something, some strength is being covered there as well. So we have this ability to increase the strength with the help of additional muscles that are present in abdomen. Normal inhalation, in normal exhalation, what helps us basically in what we call it as inhalation and exhalation, which muscles? It was the muscles of ribs, intercostal muscles. But now I am talking about, if we want to increase the strength of inspiration and expiration, we will just do that by help of additional muscles which are present in abdomen. Okay, on an average, healthy human breathes 12 to 16 times per minute. You have to remember this data. On an average, adult human on an average, adult human breathes 12 to 16 times per minute. You need to remember this data. Okay, on an average, adult human breathes 12 to 16 times per minute, and you have to remember this as well. You have to remember that we can increase strength of inspiration and expiration because of muscles, additional muscles present in our abdomen, which helps in forceful expiration, forceful inspiration. Okay, I hope this concept about this is clear. On an average, healthy human breathes 12 to 16 times per minute, and we can measure, we can estimate this, all this with the help of a clinical assessment of pulmonary functions. We can measure, for example, we just listen their heartbeat with the help of stethoscope. But here we have to measure the breathing, of an human being, we will use a device known as spirometer. Spirometer. With the help of spirometer, we can calculate all this. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Now we need to learn respiratory volumes and capacities. First of all, we need to learn about tidal volume. What is tidal volume? Tidal volume, okay, I'm erasing it. I'll write it here. Tidal volume. Tidal volume simply means volume of air inspired or expired during a normal respiration. I'm delivering this lecture, simultaneously I'm breathing, but you are not getting that I'm breathing, right? That is normal respiration actually. That is tidal volume, okay? Volume of air inspired or expired during a normal respiration. Volume of air inspired or expired during normal respiration, and it's approximately 5000 ml of air. Okay, 5000 ml. That means if we will calculate, healthy person can inspire or expire approximately 6000 to 8000 ml per minute. On an average, sorry, it's 500 ml. A person can, on an average in a minute, a healthy human can inspire 6000 to 8000 ml per minute. Okay, I hope this concept is clear, right? This was about tidal volume. Then we have another topic. Tidal volume simply means volume of air inspired or expired during a normal respiration. It is almost 500 ml. Talking about per minute, an adult human can inspire or expire 6000 to 8000 ml per minute. Okay, now we have inspiratory capacity. Tidal volume is simply normal respiration. Okay, volume of air inspired or expired during normal respiration. Now we have inspiratory capacity. Respiratory capacity. What is inspiratory capacity now? It simply means, inspiratory reserve volume. Sorry. Inspiratory reserve volume. We will learn what is inspiratory reserve volume. As the name says that it simply means capability or ability of ours to inspire. Okay, so ability is like this: normal tidal volume, plus we can additionally inspire like this, forceful inspiration, right? It's additional volume of air a person can inspire by forcible inspiration. It is additional volume of air a person can inspire during forcible inspiration. Additional volume of air a person can inspire during forcible inspiration, and it is approximately 2500 ml to 3000 ml. Okay, 2500 ml to 3000 ml. This is inspiratory reserve volume. Inspiratory reserve volume simply means additional volume of air a person can inspire during forcible inspiration. It is approximately 2500 ml to 3000 ml. Normally we are normal respiration during which volume of air is inspired or expired, that is tidal volume. And when I am using forcible inspiration or expiration like this is forcible, okay, that will come under inspiratory reserve volume. I'm inhaling the air, okay. Now after this we have expiratory reserve volume. That means additional of volume of air a person can expire during forcible expiration, okay. I'll write it here. Expiratory reserve volume. Expiratory reserve volume means additional volume of air a person can expire during forcible expiration. Additional volume of air a person can expire during forcible expiration, that will come under expiratory reserve volume, and its value is 1000 to 1100 ml. Please remember, okay. This is expiratory reserve volume. That means forcible expiration like this. Forcible inspiration, inspiratory reserve volume like this. Forcible expiration, that is expiratory reserve volume. Okay, now we have residual volume. I'll erase it. Respiratory volume. See, what do we mean by respiratory volume? Sorry, residual volume. It's residual volume denoted by RV, okay. It's residual volume. What is residual volume? Residual volume simply means the residual. Residue means somehow, anything which remains inside us. That is residue. Residual volume simply means volume of air which will remain inside the lungs even after forcible respiration. Volume of air which will remain in the lungs even after forcible respiration. I'll write it here. That remains inside lungs even after forcible respiration. Volume of air that will remain inside lungs even after forcible respiration. This averages 1000 to 1100 to 1200 ml. This is around 1100 to 1200 ml. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. So we are done with tidal volume, we are done with inspiratory reserve volume, we are done with expiratory reserve volume, we have also done residual volume, right? I hope all these concepts is crystal clear. I'll meet you in any other interesting session. Till then, goodbye, take care, thank you so much.